Welcome back to Downtown Toyota Maintenance and Service. Hopefully, winter is over. Hopefully, we're getting to some sunshine, some beautiful weather, and we're ready to service your Toyota, to do that spring maintenance, to get those summer tires on, get those winter tires off, and make sure that your vehicle is ready for warm weather ahead. Let's go through it. So we've just went through our winter. We've done our winter maintenance. We've changed our tires from the original all-season tires to our winters, and now we're ready to go back to our all-season tires. We have the winter tire storage to keep your tires stored so that you don't have to do the heavy lifting. We can make sure that those tires are installed correctly, and of course, do your seasonal maintenance. The winters here in Canada are harsh, and we want to make sure that your Toyota is prepared for the warmer months ahead and taken care of for the harsh winters that you have to go through. If you remember, there's that number 7, that's 7 degrees, that when in the winter time we had to change to the winter tires to make sure that we had optimal grip. Well, that rule still applies as we go back to warmer months. 7 degrees, our winter tires have now start losing that traction, and our all-season tires or summer tires are now going to give you the best and optimal traction for 7 degrees and higher. So we're going to change those tires back over. We're going to do that seasonal maintenance. Make sure checking your brakes, checking your alignments, topping up all your fluids, and making sure that we go through your vehicle from top to bottom with factory trained technicians and master technicians. We know your Toyota best, and we want to make sure that your vehicle is taken care of for you and your family. So just as the winters are harsh on our cars, they're harsh on our roads. What does that mean? That means that we're going to have rough roads. We're going to have potholes. We're going to have things that are going to affect the tires and or the alignment on your vehicles. So we want to make sure and check those alignments on your vehicles. Make sure that the tires are in good shape. The potholes, if they're creating problems, make sure that you're not going to have any blowout issues of tires going anywhere on your vehicle. Part of your spring maintenance is making sure and checking your filters for your vehicle. An essential filter for your vehicle is your cabin air filter. And if you see here on my hands, you can see on the top one, that's a dirty cabin air filter. And the bottom, of course, is a clean cabin air filter. This is part of the inspection that we do on your vehicles. We want to make sure that you do have a nice clean cabin air filter. This can really take a beating over the winter, of course, as you're using a lot of the heat inside on your vehicles. And along with the cabin air filter, a service that Toyota recommends is doing an HVAC service. This cleans out the evaporator core, which is located in your vehicle as part of the AC and heating system. And this cleans out any mold or mildew that can build up over the winter or more than winter. You can ask your service advisor for details of how that works and when you can get it done on your service visits. So just as essential as it is in winter for your batteries to start that car in the cold, it's just as essential to make sure that we check those batteries coming out of winter to make sure that it's still strong enough to keep you going through the spring and the summer. And that's part of the checks that we're doing through your Service 2 and Service 3 on your vehicles. We want to make sure that all the fluids are topped up, washer fluids are good, your wipers are good. And of course, as we check your vehicles, if there's anything that has to be done related to recalls or warranty or anything in that regards, we make sure and thoroughly inspect your vehicles by our factory trained master technicians. We store thousands of tires, serving our community to make sure that we want to be your one-stop shop for all your vehicle needs. We have a customer lounge if you need to stay and wait and enjoy a cup of coffee with us. Or if you prefer, we can get you a shuttle to any preferred destination. That way we're getting you to and from wherever you need to go while we're working on your vehicles. So that wraps up our spring maintenance video here at Downtown Toyota. Whether you're staying with us, waiting in our lounge, or need a shuttle ride, you can book online or give us a call, and we'll be here happy to accommodate you in the best way we can. Hit subscribe and like for these videos and visit us at downtowntoyota.ca.